What's up guys, it's Binay here, and today in this episode I'm going to show you how you can clean up your local Dixie and make your PC perform more faster than usual. If you want to see the videos related to tech tricks and tutorials, then please make sure to subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell not to miss out any further update. So further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on start menu and select their run. Write their temp and click on OK. All these files and folders are unwanted and using your C drive space and delaying processing speed of your computer. So select them all and click on delete. Administrator permission is required to complete this process, so tick mark on the small box and click on continue. You can see that these unwanted files were using my 7.69 MB space. In this way they combinedly occupy the huge space of our drive, so let's delete them all. Click on start menu and open run. Now this time type there %temp % and click on OK. These are also unwanted folders, so select them all and delete. This time 140 MB of my drive was occupied by them, so it is taking a bit of time for deleting process. Wait for the completion of this process. For the last time, open run dialog, write their preface and click on OK. Click on continue. Again this time select them all and hit the delete button. About 30% of computer users don't know that recycle bin is using our space of C drive. So right click on it and click on empty recycle bin. Now click on yes. Again it is asking for administrative permission, so tick mark the small box and click on continue. This is the final and best trick that I know for cleaning local Dixie. Type disk cleanup, select the drive and click on OK. Wait for the completion of processing. Now tick all the small boxes. Click on clean up system files and click on OK. Wait till processing. You can see that if we do so, our 1.30 GB space can be cleaned. Now tick mark all the small boxes. And click on OK. Alright, now our computer is fully clean. Thanks for watching.